Today we are walking through Mallika Biryani. So we'll see how authentic Nati style, Karnataka style biryani is gonna taste. Come.
So now just we have arrived at the location. See there you can see the board Mallika Biryani in yellow color. So now we should go that straight and park the vehicle. The time is just 12, but we can see lot of vehicles already parked here. Really so many vehicles, and the left side is one entrance. And now we are going to car parking space, and there we go. Let's park the car. And I got down from the car, and this is how it looks outside. There are many trees with beautiful flowers. I love the look. It's so good. Of course, it's very hot, but still, it's so good to see these many trees. They give us some sort of good feel. And there is one more board of Mallika Biryani. I think there are two to three entrances to this place, and this is one of them. And the one which we saw earlier, the yellow board, that is one more entrance. And this is completely the outside look of this Malika Biryani. Um, let's go inside and see how it all looks. There are lot many places to sit, and also I felt the look was so different. Here there are round tables, and upstairs also there is place to sit. So before going to sit somewhere, we need to collect our food, we need to order, and we need to get our food and then select some place to sit. So just seeing how the sitting arrangements are now, and then we'll go and see how to order and take the food. From here, I think we need to go the straight to order the food. Many are already having food at 12. See, here we go. This is the place where we need to order the food. Yeah, this left side. And the chandeliers also look very cool. These are the blocks from where we can get our food that we have ordered. They already kept everything prepared and waiting for customers to serve. And they have kept a pile of wooden sticks to cook the food. Maybe this is due to gas shortage. And this is one more space to sit. And yeah, here we are going to order the food. I see only limited items are there. Maybe this is what makes them work so well here. They have also arranged the coolers in this hot summer. And from here, we have just taken the mutton biryani, and also now we are taking chicken from here. I just asked him, he's saying that we are going to take chicken here. And see the plates and bowls, how they are serving in leaf bowls, they are serving this. And this is the top view. We thought of sitting in the top for eating. From there, this is how it all looks. And also there is separate counter for gravy, raita, and salad. That also we can collect from them, and we can get it as much as we want. And if any food is left, like after ordering, if any food is being left, we can directly go. There is one separate counter which is giving us that silver foil boxes. In that we can fill that leftover food, and we can take it to home. That is one of the best thing I saw. It's all completely self-service. And coming to the major part, the taste of the food, we really loved it and thoroughly enjoyed the food. That good it was. And down here we also have a drinks and ice cream counter. From there, I have taken an ice cream in the last, and this is it. There is a counter for kebabs. Also, there is a counter for pans. Here it is. Some different kinds of pans are there, like chocolate pan, vanilla pan, mango pan, strawberry pan, different types of pans. And this is one stall. And I said in the starting of the video, this is another entrance. And this is another pan stall in the entrance of this Mallika Biryani. And this is the yellow board entrance I have showed you earlier. This weekend, this Mallika Biryani authentic Nati style experience was very feel good. So we definitely suggest you to try this place one weekend or a weekday, no matter when.
Subscribe to Weekend Walkthroughs.
Walk with us.